Hey, right back at you, and I'm excited to share this fun lesson on teaching you how to draw a cartoon. Today's lesson is something that I cherished a lot as a kid. Robots. I love playing them, creating them, using your imagination. Are they small? Are they super gigantic? If you have ever seen The Iron Giant, that is one of my classic favorite animation style as well as movie. I had a fun time watching that. So, now, if you have your creative hats on and your mood to do something really unique, I have this really simple robot to do. Many more coming on this month and months ahead. I'm going to be doing a whole series on robots, but this one is a very simple one for sure. Didn't want to get too advanced like the Iron Giant one, not too that detailed, but just something to flow to use your creativity. So if you have your pencil and paper, as I mentioned before, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step one. And here's step two. And here's the final third step. Lesson, and I hope you enjoy it. Now this lesson, as I say in the past on many of my other ones, use your imagination, your creativity, the thing that goes between your little ears in here, that little brain, that creativity. I know you guys have it. Now this is the challenge. A robot, the sky's the limit. You can do anything you can possibly imagine. Skinny, tall, weird object shaped. This is the fun part of being an artist and using your imagination, such as a robot. So that's your challenge today. All right, so thanks for watching this video and have a great day. Don't forget to stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.